Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your December dollar bead bag and box. So two separate subscriptions that look beautiful together. So they're so beautifully coordinated that this would make an awesome gift. You know, both of these, and so affordable. So I'll put the box aside. We'll open the bag. It's $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. I have a coupon code for you that I'll put up on the screen somewhere and in the description box below the video for $2 off your first bag or box. And also check their website, because if you're a member of the Dollar Bead Club, they have so many things on their website. So let me organize these and we'll come back and take a look at the 3mm strands. And I love to show them all together because they're just so beautifully coordinated. So the first up, we have a alabaster white gold travertine. There are 50 beads to a strand here, so you're getting quite a few beads here. And then next up, we have let's see, matte jonquil. So for the first one, you'll either get alabaster white gold travertine or matte copper brass mix. Okay, and then matte jonquil. So a beautiful, very pale. It's not really even yellow. It's just a creamy, beautiful color, almost a little topazy. And then we have a this one. This is crystal copper bronze or vitril vintage metallic. I'm not sure which one this is, and I'm going to say it's the vitril one. I sometimes I get them wrong, you know that. Matte jet half gold, gorgeous. Look at that jet bead with the gold. Look at these together. They all look so beautiful together. So here are your 3mm beads. Okay, here are the 4s. So it's so well coordinated. So we've got alabaster white gold travertine or matte copper brass mix. So the same one as in the 3mm. Then the next one is matte light topaz, and this is very similar to the jonquil, so it goes beautifully. And then we have crystal copper bronze, beautiful. And then this is matte mixed metallic. I love the mattes and the shiny and the vitril, beautiful finishes, beautiful quality. Again, 50 beads per strand. So here you go, $8 a month. And I will, as I said, I have a nice coupon code for you, so check it out, see if it's right for you. All right, let's open the box. Okay, look at these gorgeous gold and jet colors. Love. Okay, so this is everything that's in the box. I'm just going to, we'll look at the letter together first before we go through them. So all of us here at the Dollar Bead Club hope that 2023 has been a good year for you, and next year brings you happiness, joy, and lots of beading pleasure. It's lovely. So then we have all the little more, stuff that's going on in the shop. And then here is all their social media. Here's the list of everything that's in this box. So we'll start with the strands. First up, we have an 8mm check glass cherry flower antique gold. You get 25 pieces, and it was on a strand. I just took it off because you can see it better. Look how pretty that is. I love that antique gold finish on there. That's beautiful. Okay, next up we have a 4mm check glass Druck Crystal Maria. That's that really pretty sort of, to me it's like a gray bead, but then it has that beautiful sort of very colorful Maria finish on there with blues and golds and rusty colors and purples, very pretty. Look at this pearl, 6mm check glass pearl, bone or golden sand. This is obviously the golden sand, very beautiful. You get 50 pieces for the 4mm Druck. You get 20 pieces of the pearl. Gorgeous. And look at this guy. This looks vintage to me. 7x19mm check glass faceted oval matte jet mocha, 5 pieces. I mean, it's not a vintage bead, but it looks like it is. Isn't that pretty? Look at that matte. It's like almost like a matte tortoise shell, isn't it? Very, very pretty. Next up, we have a 5x8mm check glass spike. Crystal Maria or crystal and gold. This is the Maria. Look how pretty that is. And that's a smaller spike, 30 pieces. So that might be more doable. I know I have trouble with the big spikes. Like I still want to use them, but I'm not sure how to use them. I think with the smaller one, it'll be much easier for me to use. 12mm check glass 2-hole hexagon pyramid. Gorgeous. Look at that matte gold, 8 pieces. That is stunning. Beautiful. Okay, next up we did the additional items, 5x6mm check glass faceted bead in jet black, 10 pieces. And that is, I don't know, let me see if I can just clear that up a little bit. See the faceting on that? It's got like, it almost looks like Saturn. All right, so that's that guy. And look at this. This is a 10 millimeter Czech fire polish bead in Crystal Volcano. And I'm always so mesmerized by the volcano finish, or I just look at that. Look at how it's all different colors, golds, and see the little pinks and purples and bronze. So pretty. Love that bead. That is gorgeous. We have a 12 millimeter Czech glass abstract nugget. I'm having trouble talking today. In jet, 2 pieces. I need my second cup of coffee. But I was very excited to get this, to open this box. So here we go. Look at the planes on that. I don't know if my light, I'm trying to get it to reflect so you can see how beautiful that is. That's really cool. Really beautiful pair of earrings. Put a little bead on either end. You can do that little 4 millimeter or one of the gold beads, or even the little flower as a bead cap. And then next we have 6 by 8 millimeter Czech glass twisted rondelle in jet. So I love these jet beads. It's so nice to have this, you know, this like very shiny jet bead, you know, to contrast with that beautiful gold. Or if you have silver in your stash, you can put it with silver. 12 pieces, and it is just a really pretty rondelle. Okay, next up we have a Czech glass bumblebee, 17 by 22 millimeter white with gold. You get 1 piece, and I love the gold wash on that and the white. It looks very like a vintage bead. Love bumblebees. They're one of my favorite garden insects. Is that a bumblebee an insect? Yes, I guess it is. They're so fuzzy and adorable. All right, and next up we have Czech glass oval. Look at these, 8 by 20 millimeter in jet, 4 pieces. These are gorgeous. Look at that perfectly smooth surface. It's sort of a flat bead. This would be gorgeous as earrings, or like, you know, part of a necklace. These are stunning. I just love their Czech glass beads. They're so unusual. They're so different. Okay, next up we have a 10 by 17 millimeter brass leaf. You get 2 pieces. It's a brass stamping. It's got 2 holes right there. So very pretty. I love the gold and the, you know, like I said, the gold and the jet together is so beautiful. And then you've got a 16 millimeter Czech glass ammonite. You get 2 of these in jet. That's like a little fossil. Isn't the jet gorgeous? It's very vintage looking. Love it. Next up we have a Czech glass Baroque pearl in 8 millimeter. In cream you get 10 pieces, and I think that is so beautiful. Look at how that looks with everything here. They're just doing a bang-up job in choosing colors and coordinating the colors so beautifully. Look at that. That is so pretty. Glows. Look at these beauties. So we have a 24 to 26 millimeter Chinese writing stone focal bead, and I love their focal beads, so I guess they could be anywhere from 24 to 26 millimeter, and look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. I love it. Beautiful focal bead. Where's the hole? So the hole is vertical. And then look at these guys. 17 by 17 millimeter Czech glass diaphan, jet travertine with gold wash. That's so pretty. Now that looks like very deco to me, with that gold and the lines coming down like that. Beautiful earring just on its own. Black dress. This on a head pin, or I wouldn't even add anything to it except maybe just a little bead on the top and the bottom, a small gold bead, and your little black dress. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful. Last but not least, we have some 11-0 Czech glass seed beads, and these are in hematite. You get 1 tube. I won't open them so I don't get them all over. These are, I said they were 11-0s, and they're a beautiful hematite, which goes so well with everything else here. So look, that's your box. Can you believe it? It's as low as $18.50 a month. You have to check out the website and see, you know, see all the different ways you can order, because there are several different ways. Here's your bag over here. Here's the box here. Look at this gorgeous, how gorgeous these are together. Again, I'll put everything in the description box below the video, links to the Dollar Bead website and the coupon code as well. Check it out. I mean, this is just the best deal around. They're just gorgeous. And it's so nice to have these different sizes in your stash, because, you know, one day you'll say, oh, gee, I need a hexagon bead. Or, you know, would I need some kind of fossil bead? Just go to your dollar bead boxes, and I separate everything by color. So if I need a gold bead, I look at the gold and I see all these different shapes and sizes. Very inspiring. All right, so thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.